Alright, today I'm going to show you how I made over 350% swinging Netflix puts. So here I have the Netflix charts, ticker symbol NFLX on TradingView, and I have the daily chart up. So each candle represents Netflix price action within one trading day. So if you zoom in on this chart, you can see that recently Netflix has been on the downtrend. Now I'm going to jump over to yesterday's price action and look at the 15-minute chart, because this is when I entered the play. So if you look at the 15-minute chart, you can see the candles trying to push up and getting rejected by the orange and purple lines, the moving averages. Now you can see it continue selling off. So what I did was, once it pushed up to the orange and purple line, I also checked the 5-minute chart. So price action within one 5-minute period. And as you can see, similar story. It pushed up, kept trying to push up and break above, and did not manage to break above. So it downtrended. And as I mentioned, at $420 around here, as it pushed up and failed to break, I got in on the Netflix puts, saying that it would break down to $415 or below by August 18th, which is this Friday. That's my expiry. Now, lo and behold, as you can see, it clearly did this, kept downtrending, pushed up again, and then downtrended again. And if you look at 15-minute chart as well, so you can get a different perspective, again, a very similar story. Every time Netflix sold up and it tried to push up again, it got rejected and broke down. Now, held these overnight, and what happened overnight is it sold off even more at open today, continued downtrending, broke below the 415 price target for me, and also broke below my white line. This my white line here is my level of support. Usually if it breaks below that, it can continue downtrending very quickly, which is kind of what happened here. Now, as you can see, Netflix is at $407. So from $421, we've dropped all the way now to $407. That's a $14 drop within a day. Obviously, this helped us eat, the team eat, myself eat, and that's how I made over 350% on Netflix puts. Obviously, you can do this with many different stocks, but in this case, it just happened to be Netflix. Last thing I want to point out is, back in July, Netflix reported earnings, and right after earnings, it sold off heavily. Since then, Netflix has been trying to push up again and continues to sell off. So this is clearly a bearish sign. But overall, this is not an easy strategy, but it's a very simple strategy. And that's how I made over 350% on Netflix puts.